This is Nick from Boatshed, Southampton. Just going to give you an exterior tour around this Sampson Seamaster we have for sale. She's a concrete vessel. Starting off here in the cockpit, well protected cockpit, and the helm, the aft mast and boom, aft deck, solar panels on the back. She needs a really good clean and somebody who's prepared to put some time back into her. Coming forward on the port side to the forward mast, headsail, to the pulpit, and bow roller. Alright, that's the Sampson Seamaster we've got for sale with Boatshed Southampton. There's plenty more photos, videos and 360-degree images on the website. Please have a look and contact us if you're interested. Thank you.